My name is Mike Rasmussen. I'm a welding instructor at Portland Community College here at Swan Island. I'm born and raised here in Portland, grew up in Portland. I went to high school in southeast Portland, and at that high school, which was Franklin, I attended metal shop. And that is where I became very, very interested in working with metal. I thought, what am I going to do with metal? I really liked welding. I happened to see that Portland Community College had a welding program. I went through that program, and then I started my career in 1969 at Gunderson's and have been in it ever since. In 2008, Scott Judy, who's a department chair for the welding program at Rock Creek, they contacted me about having another facility for welding because they were overflowing out there. So I went to my bosses at Vigor at the time, told them of the proposal, and the owner of Vigor said, I want to meet and let's get this going. Had a meeting with PCC, and 3 months later, we had a shop up and running. Vigor provided the building, we leased the building. They provided all the electrical upgrades. PCC provided the equipment and the instructors. What's unique about this program is that we partner with Vigor, and we can modify some of the training to what really occurs out in the shipyard, and what occurs in the shipyard is pretty general to what occurs in the industry nationwide. The students learn about the quality of weld they need. They learn that they need to show up on time. They need to be there every day. We treat this a lot like a job. They have time cards, and a lot of students are not familiar with this concept. They've not gone through that, so they are in a learning process with that. And when they leave here, Vigor keeps an eye on all the students, and they like to pick out the best ones and offer them jobs. I see a lot of work in the next 20 years and good employment opportunities and good future for individuals wanting to get into this trade. Most of the welding that takes place is done on the job site, and you need trained people to do that work. Our infrastructure in this country is in a very, very sad shape and needs to be rebuilt. And not just here in Oregon, but clear across the country. From power plants to buildings. The buildings are all concrete and glass, but inside they have steel structures. That steel structure is welded. On your light rail systems, the track is welded. The new bridge, the Tillicum. You just look at the hand railing on there. It's all stainless steel hand railing. It's all been TIG welded together. Somebody individually with their hands, they did that. It wasn't done with a machine. It was done by an individual. And the superstructure that's under all the concrete, all the rebar, all of the supports, all welded together. You don't see it, but it's there. You're walking on it. I enjoy helping other people learn this trade, or to help them hopefully get a better position. I get a lot of satisfaction out of seeing people I've worked with over the years and how they've progressed on their own in industry. I really enjoy it, and it's my time at my stage of life to give back.